Let's explore how to feed and remove coil from decoiler. Part 1. Feeding the coil into the decoiler. Hey guys! Today's video is all about the process of feeding and removing coils from a decoiler. Our team traveled halfway around the world to bring you this footage, so let's dive in and see what we've got. Prepare the decoiler. Firstly, ensure that the decoiler is in a suitable position for loading the coil. Position the coil. Then, use appropriate lifting equipment such as cranes or forklifts to lift and position the coil near the decoiler. Don't forget to align the coil with the mandrel or spindle of the decoiler, ensuring that it is centered and securely supported. Secure the coil. Remember to fasten the coil to the decoiler using clamps, highly recommended for coil thickness above 0.6 mm. Start decoiling. Finally, once everything is properly set up and secured, start the decoiler to begin unwinding the coil.